This 2024 Grand Design Imagine 3100 Road is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 35 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 6, TV, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, oven, LP detector, microwave, smoke detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Imagine 3100 RD is 7,778 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.